So there's not direct lighting. All the lighting is coming from, it's not like direct. Like, see how turned down these are? So it feels elegant. It's not overly bright, but there's enough light. Like an Apple Store is bright, to play the devil's advocate. Like Apple Store feels a lot more like a doctor's office than this does. This is a more yellow tone light, which makes it feel homey. The reason why I instantly go to like critiquing, like, and looking at the details, this is $1 billion company. So instead of me trying to be creative on it myself, just copy. They put literally over $1 billion into this. They did the research. They had a marketing company. Or not marketing, but research and development, like decide what to do. So we don't have to hire a research and development company to get this same experience. We can just model it.
Nice! That's pretty cool.
All right, let's go. Woo! Oh my God! Full axle.
Rad Life, the Rad Factory. We're out here at SEMA 2024. Gotta get it. Yara.
No, so you can see the tires underneath. We've got 30-inch mud trails.
So normally for the desert, but right now it's set up for snow.
And yeah, we take it on some of the trails.
Oh, you're disgusting. Yeah. So I know it's not for sale, but if hypothetically it was, what would you be getting for that?
There'd be a lot. I mean, there's
175?
plus hours into it. Yeah, it's
175 grand,
lot,
just off the top of my head. Like something that would be worth.
Yeah, it's
4G autos, these are nasty. Oh my God, the rubber bands. This is insane. These wheels are literally like 30 grand. I would say 30K minimum. Kurt rash those, jump off a building tomorrow. The back window on this truck is nasty to tint.
Nice truck, dude.
Thank you.
Great job.
He's all, don't worry, I don't want it tinted.
Oh, you got the Tesla door handles on there? You're nasty. Oh, Italian mother. Oh, God. You use auto fiber? Auto fiber towels?
No.
Okay, I'll be back with some. Seriously, who did the interior? What company? Great job, dude. Thanks for showing me. We made it. We're out here at SEMA 2024, and this year we've done something super special. We've partnered with the SEMA show, and what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be hiding cash with stickers, and we're gonna be posting on our story these hidden spots. So make sure to be following so you can see where we're hiding cash. Oh, we can't take one of these? Oh.
I think it's
all right.
Oh, man. Do it again. You can grab that.
Actually looking at the workmanship, like see there's a little finger right there.
Yeah, I just started doing window tint a year from now. Like I said, like I learned whatever the techniques that I have from you.
Awesome. Dude, nasty. This is all hydro or is this wrap?
No, those are wraps.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Underhood, undertrunk.
Looks sick. Great job.
This film blocks out the same IR rejection, which is infrared rays, across the bullet. So whether you have a darker film or a lighter film, it's going to block out the same amount of heat.
Have you checked out the glasses? No, oh my gosh, you have to.
What is it not? That's so cool.
It's like the pink lights, all the oranges pop out, and then when it's the blue lights, all the greens pop out. It's these different filters in it. If you look at like the other side, you'll see there's like multiple colored filters around the animals. Yeah, so it's called being light reactive. So depending which filter you have is gonna affect what light hits it.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Auto fiber. Hey, who's that?
This is like a candy shop right here. Gotta have it. Gotta have it. Use promo code Austin Cook.
Wait a second. Quick little trick shot.
Can you edit this?
Whoa! You made it!
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this is the new Pro Plus. We kind of streamlined it, got rid of the original.
Almost impossible to damage something with
Yeah,
it.
put foam on it.
Protect it. Yeah.
Want to make it more
Plastic.
lightweight.
Yeah.
And then the old version used to tip back and forth, so we took away that function.
I like that little kit too.
Yeah, a little band.
More leverage.
Hey, great booth design. Looks awesome. Hard to stand out here, but definitely made it happen.
Woohoo!
Should I try it?
Yeah.
That's fun. Great idea. Nice. Hey, thanks for coming by.
I don't know why. It's just unique, I guess.
It's like you can see in, but it's still their color. You can only look at their company through their lens.
Life is color.
Color. You gotta look through the color. Yeah, that's awesome. Because it's like Chinese death torture. The drop is hitting over and over and over and over in the exact same spot.
And this is a tool that we created so you can actually like practice your cuts on your cars. To get a raffle ticket, you have 4 chances. You have to cut out a circle without it beeping, and it has to be readable.
So now you're trying to. Okay, cool. 185 for the cut master.
Alcohol right there too.
Foul.
All right, Richard, here we go.
I'm for sure gonna mess it up.
And then we should do like a team
Hold on.
photo.
Hey, that was me moving. It wasn't me cutting.
Yeah. Oh, look, blue shoes.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, we can.
He left money on the top of a gas station pump, and then we put it on the story. Is it really?
It's gone.
It's gone.
Somebody found it.
It is gone. There he goes.
You guys, we don't know where we're going.
We're going. Oh my God.
And then there was 4 of them.
Yep. What? Slide down the rail again. Oh!
I had to push.
That is such a freaking good demo.
It's incredible.
This product is the real deal.
Matico's been around for 120 years. When it comes into the windshield protection segment specifically, we've been making it for over 20 years. We have 3 active US patents. We have the most testing and data to back up kind of what we say about the product, which should then build trust in that installer to then instill that trust into the end consumer.
That's incredible.
So I'm gonna impact this with the spring-loaded center punch. So we're gonna impact. So that's impacting the unprotected side. That's a rock that gets kicked up, hits your windshield. Our film is rated to protect a 1.5 ounce rock traveling 122 miles an hour. I'm now gonna impact.
Hypothetically, they don't have time to go to a shop and they're driving around with this for a month. That is better than that.
Little can see that it is fully protecting it.